10 amazing factory machines in action that you need to see. These days, people are replaced by machines and they pretty much handle their duties perfectly. In today's video, we're about to see 10 amazing factory machines that you need to see. Number 10, Optijoint V8. If it's a high performance that you're searching for, then you gotta stop. The Optijoint V8 is used to produce glued window scantling, sawn timber, and paneling. In each 8-hour shift, it can create up to 30,000 meters of built-up beams. How cool is that? This machine can handle small workpieces at high production capacity. When it comes to continuous, steady flow throughout different processes, as well as from one process to another. It has horizontal and vertical finger jointers that are designed with high-quality mechanical and electric components. The line to it is split into two, where the first is a cutting device, which processes the workpiece to form tiny details required for jointing with maximum precision, where almost 100 workpieces pass through the machine each minute. The second part of the line is the press that's responsible for connecting the workpieces to every other. The Optijoint gives you maximum precision, excellent jointing quality, and high performance. This finger jointer's jointing, gluing, and pressuring processes occur at very high speeds with great production capabilities. Number 9. Nargasa. Nargasa is a pipe and profile bending machine. This equipment makes it extremely easy to bend different profiles that include bar sections under the influence of high temperature. It can even work on T-profile, rolling U-profile, bending angle, bending the solid rod, spiral tube, or even to perform square, rectangle, or round pipe in different materials like iron, copper, and many more. It can take a maximum capacity for bending round pipes of 2 inches. This equipment is made of welt and mechanized steel sheet. It has 3 traction rollers, which are ideal and essential to work with pipes, which gives it a perfect finish with a smooth surface without getting the profile damaged. It secures transmissions by using flat hardened pinions. The Nargasa section and pipe bending machine minimizes the manufacturing cost and also provide maximum performance. Number 8, Tire and Wheel Assembly System. The manufacturer of this line is the American company Dominion Technologies Group. The tire fitting machine is typically a part of the automatic wheel assembly line. The result of this is a flexible, fully automated system that can handle many combinations of tire and wheel sizes to ensure optimum processing of rims and tires. Each station automatically configures itself for the size of it. Dominion tire lines can be configured with independent single stations or with the independent dual stations. Using single bead mounted techniques, this machine can work with up to 360 wheels per hour. Number 7, Hydraulic Biomass Briquette, Gemco Energy. The hydraulic biomass briquette machine is manufactured by the Chinese company Gemco Energy. Rice husk briquette machine can make the rice husk to briquette for further usage. So, what is rice husk? It's a kind of biomass waste as the coat of the rice. Thus, this machine increases profitability by converting waste into a marketable product. It also specializes in processing fine materials from tree branches, twigs, waste wood blocks, rice husk, straw, paperboard, and other wood substances. Usually rice hulls being light and their diameters not exceeding 5 millimeters. Transporting such a mass would be difficult if it weren't for this hydraulic biomass briquette machine. Its forming system is of 3 hydraulic cylinders and the mold with the molding cavity linked to one end of the conveyor. The finished briquette comes in various different shapes like rectangular, hexagonal, octagonal, round, or any other shape. Number 6, NovaCut 106ER. NovaCut 106ER is a die cutter for the Swiss organization Bosch. The NovaCut 106ER works with paper, different sorts of cardboard and semi-rigid plastics, laminates, aluminum foils, and others. The device puts pressure on sheets giving shape to the products and also punch openings and cavities in them. This equipment ensures smooth sheet transfer at high speed by ensuring finer nicks on the carbon and exact positioning of the gripper bar. NovaCut separates the sheets automatically. It reduces workload, improves the performance, and increases the precision with less expense. This equipment is used to create packaging and also printing labels for juices and soft drinks, frozen food, cosmetic, and fragrance. The NovaCut 106ER aims at serious players in the folding carton businesses. With this now, you no longer need to strip the edge waste from your die cut work. Number 5, Bosch Industry 4.0. This is not a piece of equipment just for one production task. With the fully connected Industry 4.0 production line, Bosch takes the digital factory to the next level. They've taken a challenge and are uniquely prepared to help others with easier solutions. Production has become transparent, versatile, and flexible. Thanks to the smooth interaction of the physical and virtual production world, its production line is made of 3 automatic and 2 manuals with which the machine controls are arranged. It consists of a radio frequency identification chip and also radio waves to identify and locate objects. In Industry 4.0, humans remain indispensable within the production process. It leads to a faster and more flexible production process, greater efficiency of material, and reduction of complexity and downtime. Number 4. DALI HighQ. There are several ways to join workpieces, and one of them is ultrasonic welding. If you're wondering what it is, it's the joining or reforming of thermoplastics through the use of heat generated from high-frequency mechanical motion. This machine allows achieving repeatable welds with low welding forces of 5 newtons. To bond 2 thermoplastic parts, the materials must be chemically compatible. This equipment combines the benefits of pneumatics with the dynamics of an electric drive that also allows the user to choose any starting point for the welding process. Its soft touch mode helps spare sensitive weld joints of the plastic parts to be joined. It consists of a marking device that marks the product date and the time of its manufacture. The video camera helps you visualize the overall weld process and also control the quality of welding. This machine works with not just metals but also plastics, fabrics, and even leathers. Number 3. Weber 405. The wide product throat in Weber's Slicer 405 ensures you a high output. It's a shear bar, and the side limit stop can be configured individually accordingly to the product width. With just a touch of the button, the performance slicer can work with up to 2,000 slices per minute and gives an optimal product yield and minimal giveaway. The Weber Slicer fulfills all requirements in the food processing space, serving artisanal, snacking, cheese, and also meat slicing companies. Its portion designer offers various options like stacked, staggered stack, shingled as pieces, folded, and various others. Both manual and automatic loading are available as options. It saves time and is reliable. Number 2. Vacuum forming. Vacuum forming is a popular thermoforming technique. In the process, flat sheets of plastic or organic glass are used as raw materials. These raw materials are then heated under very high temperatures to have it become soft and malleable. Once it's done, the sheet is taken out and stretched onto a single surface table to avoid any changes in shape. This is when the vacuum forming equipment comes into operation. The sheet is pressed against the mold, where the equipment pumps out air, causing the acrylic to settle on top of the mold. The liquid hardens and sets inside the mold while adapting its shape. This technique is used to make acrylic baths and showers. Number 1. LT7. LT7 is a fiber laser processing machine for metal pipes and profiles. This equipment assures the best cut accuracy at the highest productivity. It helps cut round, square, and rectangular tubes very easily, leaving complex curved notches on the surface. Special shaped tubes or open sections can also be programmed and cut without problems, weighing up to 23 kilograms per meter. For bigger weld seams, the machine adopts the laser parameters at each step to ensure cutting continuity and perfect scrap detachment. The LT7 can also perform the 3D cutting. Its orientation movement of the cutting head allows you to achieve unimaginable productivity, especially when cutting thin wall materials. It has 3 programmable unloading positions to separate out different pieces, which also saves time. For bigger weld seams, the machine adapts the laser parameters at each step to ensure cutting continuity and perfect scrap detachment. Everything in LT7 is automatic, with no machine stops, but the real advantage is in production quality and in its high reliability. Don't forget to give this video a like. Also subscribe to our channel World Technology and ring the bell button to be notified about our latest videos.